Hello and welcome. This is part 3 of my finished diamond paintings series. So those of you who haven't seen parts 1 and 2, please check out the playlist for my 30 videos in 30 days, and you will see those two in that playlist. Without further ado, let's get into this. Cat Hugs by Labuka. I purchased this one off of Diamond Art Club's Amazon site. I felt lucky at the time to snag it. I started it July 28th, 2025. I finished it July 29th, 2025. It is 22.8 by 22.8 centimeters with 34 colors. It's a round, and of those 32 colors, there were 2 AB and 3 fairy dust. It basically took me 8 hours and 15 minutes to complete. Charlie Brown's Christmas Tree by Peanuts. I started it July 29th, 2025. I finished it July 30th, 2025. It took me 4 hours and 27 minutes to complete. It is my 22nd finish of all time. Purchased it off of a D-Stash. I could tell it was an older kit by the 310s. That's what I have noted here. It is 22.8 by 22.8 centimeters. It is round with 8 colors, and 5 of those 8 colors were iridescent. This is one of my favorite finishes. Floating Along by Jeremiah Kettner. I started it June 23rd, 2025, and I finished it August 4th, 2025. Canvas size is 51 by 71 centimeters. It is round. It has 46 colors, which included 6 ABs. I ran out of drill number 140, but Diamond Art Club sent me more. I love this one so much. It ranks high on my favorite list, just like Strawberry Shortcake and Custard. I also wrote in my notes that I bought this kit because the otters look like my baby girl Pixie, and they also remind me of Tony and I floating in our pool together. I don't know if I said this or not, but it took me 37 hours and 40 minutes to complete that one, my 23rd finish of all time. This one's from Jaded Gem Shop. It's Lily of the Valley by Cherryuki. I started it May 25th, 2025, and I finished it August 21st, 2025. It is a 40 by 55 centimeters, and it has 2 ABs and 2 glimmer. It was a very tight drill field, way too much confetti, hybrid charted by Jade. 35 colors, which included the 2 AB and the 2 glimmers. I like Cherryuki's artwork. And that's my 24th finish of all time. And this is my all-time favorite to date ever diamond painting finish. Bluebird of Happiness by Peggy Collins. I started it March the 21st, 2025, and I finished it August 31st, 2025. Looks like it took me 28 days. This one also reminds me of my stepmother. I love hearing the birds chirping outside on the first day of spring in the early morning hours with Pixie. Okay, let me give you the stats on this one. It is 69.9 centimeters by 104.8 centimeters. It's square with 61 colors. Of those 61 colors, we have 3 AB and 3 fairy dust. It's great quality. I can't stop working on this one. I absolutely love and enjoy every moment of it. And Tony got me the Bird Buddy feeder for my birthday that year. It's my 25th completion of all time, and I also have it written down as my favorite for 2025. So we'll see if it changes in 2026, but it is August of 2026, and I have yet to have anything beat it to date. My Inner Sanctuary by Yume Art. I started it May 29th, 2025. I finished it September 18th, 2025. Took me 50 hours to complete. It is a 70 by 81 centimeter with square drills. It has 53 colors, which includes 3 AB and 3 fairy dust. Everything was perfect with this kit. The drills were like flatter. I purchased it off of a D-Stash in January of 2025. I show a release date of 2023. The grid and drills fit perfectly. I enjoyed the color blocking. I find myself feeling joy when I work on it and choose it over others in my whip rotation. Interesting, because I didn't remember that. So there's my 26th finish of all time. Spring Delight by Hannah Lynn. I started it March the 26th, 2025, and I finished it September 22nd, 2025. It is 65 by 88 centimeters. Took me 67 hours to complete this, but I loved the bright colors, but it was taking forever to finish. I have it written down. The drills were like too large on the grid, so they were too tight. And I wrote, I will never purchase another old kit destashed or anything over 28 to 30 inches after doing this kit. Well, that is true because I haven't purchased another destash, but I have purchased new kits over 28 by 30 inches. But this was a big one. It was basically 25.6 inches by 34.7 inches. It was an older kit. The drills had a lot of trash in them. I didn't enjoy it, but the end result is lovely. I don't know if I mentioned or not, it is a square drill and it has 52 colors with 4 AB, my 27th finish of all time. A Song for Moonlight by Cineva Meister started at August 14th, 2025. I finished it September 25th, 2025. It took me 51 hours to complete. I had Tony pick out a kit and he chose this one. He says it reminds him of Dracula, quote, and I'm going to quote the quote now. It reminds him of Dracula's quote, listen to them, the children of the night, what music they make. With only 21 dark colors, it was a bit on the boring side and a lot of bits of color spread out. Lots of revisiting colors with a few color blocking areas. It turned out way prettier than I thought it would, and the light blue and the feathers are lovely. Okay, the stats on it are 55 by 78 centimeters. It's a round with 21 colors, one of which was an AB. It's my 28th finish. Love, Music, and Family by Mrs. Butter D. I started it April the 4th, 2025, and I finished it September 30th, 2025. It took me 61 hours to complete. It was released in 2025, but it is now archived. I'm so glad that I did grab it when it was available and I have finished it. It is 60 by 84.9 centimeters, a square kit with 48 colors, 6 of which were fairy dust. I love the bright colors and I enjoyed the color blocking. It was my 29th finish. Stained Glass Flower by Peggy Collins. I started it September 13th, 2025, and I finished it October 19th, 2025. It took me 8 hours to complete. It's 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters. It's round with 53 colors. I purchased it off Amazon. Of the 53 colors, there are 3 AB and 1 fairy dust. This looks like it was released in 2023. Took this kit with me to the West Virginia ZZ Top concert and worked on it at the hotel while my little sister Nicole worked on her Sensory Create Rainbow kit I gave her. I put it away to work on larger kits when I got home, and then we met up again with my sister and her husband in West Virginia and saw 38 Special, and I finished it at that time. My 30th finish of all time. Okay, so that is everything for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching these finishes, and if you did, please click like and subscribe or comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.